If you're preparing for the CompTIA Network N10-009 exam, but you're not sure whether a video-based prep course like this actually helps you understand real networking tasks used in IT jobs, or just explains exam theory, this video will help you decide in the next few minutes. These skills are commonly used in IT support teams, network administration environments, infrastructure monitoring roles, and enterprise connectivity troubleshooting across modern workplaces. In this video, I'll explain what skills you learn, who this certificate is for, how it supports careers, and whether it's worth your time. The course we're discussing is the CompTIA Network N10-009 Pearson Cert Prep video available through the InformIT platform, designed to help learners prepare for the updated Network certification exam while building practical networking knowledge used in real support environments. After completing this training, you'll be able to recognize how network devices communicate, troubleshoot connectivity problems inside structured networks, understand how switching and routing operate in business environments, and support secure network configurations across wired and wireless infrastructure. These are the same types of responsibilities handled daily by technical support staff and entry-level network teams inside organizations. One important question many learners ask is whether this certificate is enough to start a career pathway, or whether it works better as a supporting specialization. Career pathways supported by this course include IT support, specialist network support, technician help desk technician junior network administrator infrastructure support. Technician. After completing this certificate, you'll be able to understand how common network devices interact inside real office environments, identify connectivity problems across wired and wireless systems, interpret network addressing and routing behavior, support secure communication inside business networks. This program focuses specifically on network fundamentals and infrastructure troubleshooting skills rather than deeper cybersecurity specialization learning. Pathways. Structured learning like this is usually more effective than relying on scattered tutorials because workplace skills depend on understanding how tools connect together rather than learning them separately. In a moment, I'll explain who benefits the most from this certificate and whether beginners should start with it first. One advantage of this training is that it follows the official network exam structure, which helps learners connect certification preparation directly with the networking concepts expected in entry-level infrastructure roles. Who should take this course? This course works well for beginners entering its support roles, learners preparing for the CompTIA Network certification exam, and professionals moving from general help desk responsibilities into networking focused positions. Who should avoid this course? This may not be the best fit if you already manage enterprise networks daily, or if your goal is advanced cloud networking architecture or cybersecurity engineering roles. Expected career impact. This training supports readiness for infrastructure support positions and strengthens preparation for network certification validation. Expected salary relevance. Roles supported by network preparation typically fall within early career infrastructure salary ranges depending on region and organization size. Skill level required. This course is designed for entry-level learners beginning their networking pathway. Weekly learning time required. Most learners complete video-based certification preparation like this by studying around 3 to 6 hours per week, depending on their exam timeline. This certificate is especially useful for learners preparing to move toward network support technician roles. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.